The health benefits of drinking a little Celtic salt in water every day. Take a bottle of water, add 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt, place the bottle on your nightstand, and immediately upon waking up in the morning, shake it up and drink it. So why would you want to do this? 1. Boosted energy. When you've been sleeping all night, you tend to become dehydrated, which makes you feel more tired in the morning. The sodium chloride in the Celtic salt helps water to quickly be absorbed by your cells, hydrating you and giving you energy. The trace minerals also help activate nerve signals between your muscles and your brain for an early morning boost to start your day. 2. Reduced stress. The minerals in Celtic salt help your body maintain normal blood pressure in the morning, reducing the need for stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. This helps you to start your day in a calm, relaxed and focused state. 3. Detoxification. Celtic salt is hand harvested in salt marshes in France, making it one of the purest salts in the world. When it's used in water, it supplies proper hydration to help flush the kidneys, liver and digestive system to help eliminate toxins from the body like alcohol, metabolic waste and environmental chemicals. 4. Muscle health. Sodium from Celtic salt is a key electrolyte which helps to pull water into muscle cells along with calcium, potassium and magnesium. This quickly rehydrates the muscles after they've been tensed up all night in awkward sleeping positions. Many people use Celtic salt to help relieve cramps, twitches, and for better energy or recovery after exercise. 5. Skin health. Lightly salted water also provides trace minerals like zinc and iodine, which help to regulate inflammation in the skin. By helping oil production and skin cell turnover, these minerals also help to keep the skin clear of pimples and blackheads. And 6 is brain health. Did you know that your brain is about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can shrink the tissues and slow nerve signals? Now, electrolytes in Celtic salt help water cross into the brain cells faster, reducing brain fog and easing headaches naturally. 7. Diet support. When you're losing weight or you're on a diet, you tend to lose a lot of water weight and electrolytes through your urine. Topping yourself up once or twice a day with just 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic salt in water to help fully rehydrate the body and keep those energy levels high when you're shedding the extra pounds. And number 8 is better digestion. Sodium from Celtic salt also helps the cells in your stomach produce the right level of acid in order to help break down your food properly, digest nutrients and prevent bloating. The trace minerals in Celtic salt like the zinc and magnesium also act as cofactors for digestive enzymes that break down your food as well. 9. Heart health. Unlike the usual refined table salt, Celtic salt contains extra minerals that help to maintain a normal heart rhythm. People on very low sodium diets often experience issues like skipped beats or arrhythmias, but drinking a small amount of this in the morning can help to keep the heartbeat steady. 10. Temperature control. When your body gets too warm, it cools itself down by sending blood to the skin and releases sweat. The sodium in Celtic salt helps to keep this cooling system working, whilst the trace amounts of iodine help support your thyroid, which also controls how much heat that your body makes. 11. Preventing infections. Swishing Celtic salt water around your mouth can also help to kill off bad oral bacteria that could have grown overnight whilst you were sleeping and your mouth was open. The chlorides in the salt are used by your white blood cells to make hypochlorous acid, which helps in maintaining a healthy immune response. In fact, my wife likes to gargle with a stronger solution of Celtic salt water during the winter, and it's helped her completely clear a recurring tonsil infection that she used to have every single year. And finally, we have number 12, which is repairing wounds. Sodium and chloride from salt is also needed to repair wounds and lesions in the body. including pockets of damage in the arteries and the cardiovascular system. But the key is to not have too much salt when you have heart issues, as too much of it can spike blood pressure, so balance here is the key. How much salt do humans need? Typically, most health experts agree that humans need between 3.8 to 5.8 grams of salt spread out throughout the day. This is roughly about 1 level teaspoon spread out in one entire day, which is why I only suggest a quarter of a teaspoon in the morning. However, if a person sweats a lot from hot weather, exercise, or physically demanding work, the body can actually lose up to 1 gram of sodium per 1 litre of sweat. Endurance athletes and people in hot climates may need between 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt a day to prevent losses. Remember that most foods you buy have varying amounts of salt already added, so do factor those in as well. But isn't salt bad for you? Well, regular table salt that you get from the supermarket and the one that's used in processed foods is often bleached and contains anti-caking agents. Synthetic iodine is also added, which can cause health problems in high amounts. The natural complex of trace minerals have been stripped, altering its chemical structure and leaving it almost 99% pure sodium chloride. For this reason, table salt is not actually a natural product anymore, and it is linked with high blood pressure. Celtic salt, on the other hand, is hand harvested and sun-dried, so it keeps its natural balance of over 80 trace minerals. These minerals work together in your body to maintain fluid balance, hormone balance, nerve signaling, and much more. And do not forget about potassium. Remember, you also need 4 to 5 grams of potassium per day, as this works with sodium to store fluid inside and outside of the cells. So it's a good idea to also boost your potassium intake by eating more leafy greens like salad, vegetables, and avocados. By the way, bananas are not a good source of potassium, as they also have high sugar levels, which causes the body to lose more potassium than it gains. Which types of salt should you use? When choosing Celtic salt, look for one that is light grey in colour and it's slightly moist, and ensure the brand uses traditional harvesting methods from coastal salt pans in Brittany, France, or even other genuine Atlantic coastal marshes like Portugal or Spain. The grey hue comes from the natural clay beds where it's dried, proving that it still has the full mineral profile that you're looking for. Avoid Celtic style salts, which are bright white, overly dry, or don't list their harvesting location, as they could possibly be fake. Storage tip: keep Celtic salt in a non-metal container with a tight lid away from heat. The natural moisture in it means that it will clump up a bit, so a glass or ceramic pot works best to preserve its quality. And which water should you use? Avoid tap water, which contains chlorides and fluorides that are added. Instead, I would suggest using a good quality bottled mineral water that's low in nitrates. This will provide additional minerals like silica, which are also beneficial. Although Celtic salt is my personal favourite, there are some other salts that you may want to look into, like Himalayan salt, which is mined from ancient dried out seabeds in Pakistan, so it's been sheltered from modern pollution and microplastics. Baja gold salt is harvested from the Sea of Cortez in Mexico, and this one has more magnesium and potassium for heart health. This type also has fulvic acid, which is good for your gut bacteria and microbiome. Redmond real salt is from another ancient seabed in Utah, completely free of microplastics and has a slightly sweeter flavour. And then black salt is a volcanic rock which is naturally high in sulfur, giving it an eggy flavour which is said to be good for bile and liver support. And bamboo salt is the Korean sea salt that's been roasted in bamboo up to 9 times, concentrating the minerals, and it was used medicinally by monks. This type is very rare and expensive. Now, let's talk about how to upgrade your Celtic salt drink. If you want to upgrade your drink and increase its energy boosting properties, you can also add 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid from vinegar can turn into ketones to increase the natural flow of energy in the body. Learn more about this by watching the video that I've put on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.